Hey guys, if you're using the Premiere Pro dual monitor setup, this is the problem. You may notice that the video is playing here as well as here on both monitors. If I play the video, as you can see, it is playing on both systems. So how to get rid of this? In this video, you are going to see. So all you need to do is here on the top, you can see the edit option. Click on it and you see a list of options here. Just hover the mouse to preferences. Here select the playback, this option. A new window will be opened like this. Here, as you can see here, the monitor 2 is selected. This is my monitor 2. It is actually enabled. That's why it is showing the video. If I disable and click on OK, you only observe how it's going to change. I disabled it and clicking on OK. Now, as you can see, the screen is clear now. Now you can use this screen as to multitask. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to like this video so that it reaches to more people who are having this problem.